Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change ringtone in SIM1 on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in phone, go to 3 dot on the right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. And the pop-up bar show. Okay, now select settings. In settings, go to call alerts and ringtone. Okay, tap this. Here in call alert and ringtone in keypad tone section, you can see the ringtone. You'll have to do is tap this. And now you can see the option, the SIM1 and the SIM2. So for my tutorial, I select SIM1. And after you select SIM1, you can see the ringtone saved to your Samsung Galaxy A02. So you can find the ringtone you want to change by scrolling down or up on the screen. So okay guys, for my example, I select the flight. Okay, you can tap the flight to select. And okay guys, so okay, go back to see what happened. Okay, you can see the SIM1 is set and to flight. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed ringtone in SIM1 on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.